Hello, this is live and this is nature. Yeah. With your old friend, Mollie. And this is... Oh, sorry. This is real nature. Oh yeah, look at them trees. Good. Oh, lovely. So we're just looking at some nature. Look, there's the dog. Woo! There we are, real nature. Yeah, real good. Yeah. And remember, it's me who's taking the photo. Yes, ready. Sorry, whatever. Right, just pick up your voice. Okay. There's the sun.
Good morning. How are you? I don't think you should come and talk to her because she stands on her dignity.
Oh yeah, this is so good. Ooh, nice house there.
Come along.
Okay, this is now us on Newton Street. Yes, Newton Street. Now we're on Newton Terrace. Newton Terrace. Thank you. Now, look at them beautiful trees. Nice. Now, let's see that car. Let's go up. Ooh, it says Jen. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Nice flowers there. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, this video is called Nature, by the way. Oh, look at them lovely trees. Nice ones. Oh, look, there's a lovely hedge. A van popping out as well. Oh, and now we're going in, Look at them beautiful flowers. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice. Very nice. It's starting to die a bit because this is autumn, remember? Autumn. Woo! Nice. Now, there's the bell. Do you want to press it? Press the bell. Alright. Now, let's do it. Push that.